upload your videos, you have to use this YouTube Studio. It's also on your phone. You upload, click on upload video. You already should have your video, right? So click on select file, then go to the main video you want to upload. For example, let's say we have the video wherever it is in your phone. So I have some videos here that I want to upload. Now this is how this works. There is video that you can upload. There is video you can upload for a full video of over 1 minute, right? This dimension works, which is the landscape mode. It's going to fill your screen. When you are recording, you want to make sure that your phone is on landscape mode and not portrait mode, unless you want to record for shots, and shots is usually in the landscape version. What I mean by landscape is this kind of video I'm clicking on, right? So this one that I clicked on is portrait. So shots that you upload should be less than 1 minute or 1 minute, 1 minute or less. Full video that you upload should be more than 1 minute, 1 minute or more than 1 minute actually. The moment it clicks on 1 minute, it's going to automatically upload to shots, right? So we'll try to upload this video. Click on open, and it will have its own file name that came with it. So you want to try to rename it, and this is the name of the file here. Some of your file may have like 1 2 3 4 0 0 0 blah, blah, blah. So you want to write the name here and make sure you write the name properly. Usually it's suggested that like this, how to create your own AI images. Go and check YouTube. You will see how a lot of people are writing their titles because it is catchy. How to, the first letter comes with a capital letter. How to create your own AI is AI, capital letter, images, right? So now you give a description that is 200 or more. Description 200 or more, right? You want to write, in this video I'm going to be blah blah blah. You write whatever you want to write. Write the description, a short description about that video. About that, tell your viewers about your video. Type ads to mention a channel, right? So you go to thumbnail. This is where we are going to get to. Thumbnail is the first thing that appears in the video. This is a thumbnail. See, this is what a thumbnail looks like. This is a thumbnail here. This is a thumbnail. No one cares, but this is the video. So if I remove my cursor, it shows no one cares. You see, thumbnail does a lot of good things to your video. It tells people to have a glimpse of what your video is about without really necessarily telling them what it's about. Without really telling them what it's about. Your thumbnail may have words, it may not have any words. Like, I don't make clothes below, Vicky James. I don't make clothes below 1 million. I don't make clothes below 1 million. You see? This is Vicky James. No words, right? So let's move on to other things like the shorts. Shorts do not have, like this short now, it doesn't have thumbnail. You don't put thumbnail on shorts. There's no way you can put thumbnail on shorts, right? So you don't need to put thumbnail on short because you can't even put it. So you want to make sure that you have a thumbnail. Then how do you want to design a thumbnail? We are going to get to that. Let's go back to our video that we were uploading. This is our video, right? Upload thumbnail. This is where you upload on me if you have a thumbnail. Let's click on thumbnail. To add custom thumbnail, first verify your phone number. You see, that's the reason why I have to verify a phone number, to be sure I am the owner of this account. I'm not trying to clone another account, right? So you do playlists. Playlist is not compulsory. Playlist is something like you are grouping your videos into different types. Like you may be doing videos that shows you interviewing students that took part in your fashion tutorial. You can have playlist of how to do ready to wear. You can have playlist of bespoke. You can have playlist of different playlists. So you select can create a playlist like this, new playlist, right? So done. We move on to the next one. Is this content made for kids? It is not made for kids. Usually it is not made for kids. Just say no, it's not made for kids. Click on next, and let's click on this. Click on next. So we move on to add end screen. End screen is this. Let me show you end screen. This is what end screen look like. At the end of a video, there are two portions where you can add end screen. Where you know that video you will watch, and this end screen. This is it. You will have the opportunity to add videos you want YouTube to suggest to your viewers. So let's say we want to add end screen. This is where we add it. You click on add. You can import from video. You can also add your own end screen. This is where it is. You can place it anywhere. You can use this format. You can use this format. You can use this format. So if I'm using this format, I'm going to click on either best for viewer, most recent upload. This is automatic. It will put it by itself. But if I want to do it myself, I'll click on element video and search for a video and put the videos in it. That is how that one works, right? So that is for end screen. Add cards. Cards are like when you are watching something and the director say, "What is video up here?" To see what I'm talking about, that is where you add your card. You add your card anywhere where you have said that thing, or it may not be something you said, maybe a video that relates to that thing you are saying. So those are the things. Those are the things it does. You will just add a video here. Like for example, click on plus. You pick a video. It's because we don't have video on this channel already, and you'll be able to add it. It is very simple. It's very easy to do. Trust me. So that's how they add all of those titles. When someone is talking, I say click on this video right here if you want to learn how to. It is under card. Then they go to next. You may have, you may not have, but it's good for optimization so that you can watch more of your videos. Then it will check if you have any copyright claim, if someone has uploaded it before. Then you can also, that's one of the advantages of YouTube. You can also do like a class. Let's say I don't want this video to go viral. I don't want it to go not viral. I don't want it to go public. I'll just put it on private or unlisted, or I can schedule it. And when I put it on unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch your video. Public, anyone can watch your video. Private, only you and people you choose can watch your video. That is private. So I can schedule it and say I want it to upload so times before I click on schedule. If I'm not scheduling it, I'll click on save or publish and click on save, and it will upload. Simple as 1, 2, 3. So that's how you upload your videos. We are not uploading any video here. This is just a sample video to know how you can do. This one has been saved to draft. If you need something like this, you don't upload it to be on draft. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Then let's go to how you can design a thumbnail. This is where you go also. You can go to this place and click on thumbnail, blog YouTube thumbnail, and it will bring it for you. Then you redesign anyhow you want to create your design. It is usually good to start with a template. Just change color, change theme, use consistent theme. If you are using blue and yellow, use blue and yellow. If you are using red and black, use red and black. If you are using white and black, use white and black for your colors. Let it be consistent, especially when you are just starting a channel. Let the color theme be consistent, right? So these are samples of the designs you can create. Like this, you can decide to customize this template and change the picture here, leave the subscribe, change the color if you want, and you can leave it like this, change this color too if you want. So if you want to learn how to make thumbnails, you can check this channel on how to make thumbnails. I made videos on that specifically. If this makes sense to you and you think you have learned something good, something new, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you.